Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to generate and set a strong password for Google account on iPhone. So first of all, just go ahead to your browser and just go ahead to your Google browser. And from here, you're gonna see this is my account on Google. Click on your avatar icon at the top right, and from there, just click Manage your Google account. And basically, what you're gonna do, click on your personal info, scroll a little bit down, until you find the password. Right? Click on the password right here, and basically, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and enter your password. Right? And after you enter your own Google password, right, let me just enter it. Right, and basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just move along to the next step. And if you want to enter the new password, just go ahead right here. Automatically, if you're using iPhone typo, you will receive like a iPhone created a strong password for this website. You can use and go ahead and use the strong password, but it's not recommended for me, because for myself, for my opinion, I don't recommend that step, because you will never memorize like those kind of complicated password. So instead, you could just go ahead and create your own like memorable password that is complicated, right? And just go ahead and enter the password that you want, basically confirm, and then change the password. And make sure that your password have some kind of weird sign, right, or some kind of outside sign that you're not normally use, like an exclamation or something like that. Just go ahead and do it. All right, or maybe question mark, something like that, something complicated. So basically, just go ahead and do it, and you can add like a underscore, slash, or whatever it might be, to actually help with your increasing the security on your password. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.